I'm actually nervous that the BRZ is gonna be too loud right now. I didn't think that was possible, but I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. So from where we've left off from yesterday, we went full loud. No, Kyle decided just to go full loud. We have 3-inch all the way from the downpipe back. So we made a new overpipe for all the BRZ bros, you know what I'm talking about. New overpipe, which it's like really difficult to find these made larger than like 2 3/4, 2 1/2. Kyle was able to squeeze a 3-inch in there, and then it's literally a 3-inch straight pipe all the way back with a Y divider and sending it both out the sides. Now we have no mufflers right here where you normally have a muffler, and there's no resonator in the middle. So this is gonna be extremely loud, and Kyle and Danny told me that they turned it on earlier today and it was just ridiculous. I'm not even gonna make it home before I get pulled over.
You're fine.
I'm already thinking in the back of my head, like, how many days is it gonna be until I come back and I'm like, let's throw some resonators in there and a muffler. Because don't get me wrong, like, I like it loud, but I want to be able to drive it and not have my ears bleed. And that normally has never been the case for that car, but when I had a taste of the quiet side just a little bit with good noise in the back, kind of liked it. And I don't want to be able to hear the turbo, so who knows, but I am excited right now that we just freed up all that back pressure, all that tight exhaust is now freed up. So that's a huge positive. So Kyle is finishing up the left side exhaust right now because we're sticking with the dual tips, not a single exit. He's finishing that up and we'll go for our first start and we'll see how it sounds. That doesn't look really safe, damn man.
I think it's fine. Yeah. You want that gap. Oh, I did.
So when this ends up being way too goddamn loud, Kyle, where are we gonna fit a muffler in this bad boy?
We're gonna drop a V8 in her.
No, never.
I would just do resonator right in the middle.
Will that really help though?
Yeah.
The only thing that needs to get done is welding that tip onto that side.
Yeah, I gotta shorten this guy up so it lines up, and then yeah, essentially do what I just did. That took way longer than I thought.
I like it, it's edgy. I'm gonna see how much I like it. I don't think I'm gonna hate it. Rather than just coming like this straight out the back, which is like a normal, like any exhaust you get from like online, pre-built, whatever, they're all like that. We're gonna add a little edginess, a little style, and add a little angled up. KL Fab Special.
Angle for the dangle.
It looks dope, I just don't know how aggressive it's gonna be.
It's gonna be cool when like you pretend like you're shooting fire out, it's gonna be cool.
Oh yeah, when I just like, in like Photoshop, when I just put in some flames.
Yeah, totally.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, it is done. Before we turn on and test it, Evan is gonna be welding something in his bay, so Kyle's gonna help him with that, but just look at that from here. It looks so rad. I love how it's angled up, and I love how shiny and pretty it is. I'm scared to turn it on to see how loud it is, but I know it's gonna be super, super cool. Comment right now, how long do you think I will last with this setup before I decide to tone it back? Comment down below, I wanna hear you guys' answers.
Hi YouTube, I don't only make videos, I also go to school. This is my home.
Believe it or not, guys, about 2 or 3 years ago, I was classmates with Dan Man.
Man, those were the days.
What are we doing here? A little cosine action?
Little derivatives. I don't think you ever got to calc, brother. But
Dude, we did pre-calc together, right?
yeah, but it's really not the same.
And we did nursing stats. I didn't do nursing stats with you.
You didn't do it. Yeah, you didn't do nursing stats, but good times.
Hey, when in doubt, Danny, the answer is C.
Oh, C.
Tennessee.
Tennessee. You're the only.
10 is always C. Shout out to school.
Guys, you guys ready to hear something really loud?
That's messed up. I'm nervous about this.
Your last setup was loud, and the piping's just a lot bigger with no resonators.
Do you have those big earmuff things?
That's not funny.
Dude, we're in the worst
don't.
zone here. Get out of here.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Good luck. That's not even like...
That's louder than the louder than...
That's louder than any car I've like ever heard in my life.
So much louder than Dustin's WRX.
That is the loudest thing I think I've ever heard out of a car.
Oh, I've never heard of it.
I can't even drive that. I can't drive that home. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I love it. All right, it's getting quieter. Okay. That's quieter.
It's not even bad. That V-band, it's still gonna go down.
Yeah, I see it.
Your V-band thinking.
The camera will never like give that justice, but it is so loud. Oh my God. That's only 4,000.
Okay, make right here.
All right, here's the game plan right now. I didn't think it would be this loud. I'm a damn fool. It's way too damn loud. I love it, but way too damn loud. So I'm gonna order a really big resonator. I'm gonna do my research and figure out the best ones out there. We're gonna be back here early next week. We're gonna have Kyle put in a new resonator. I'm gonna roll the dice on the way home. I have like a 30-minute drive back to the shop. Fingers crossed we don't get in trouble. We're in an area right now where it's like known for cops being everywhere. So wish us luck. If any of you guys are looking for maybe not this loud of an exhaust setup or something like this or any custom work that's in Southern California area, I'm gonna link all Kyle's stuff down below, and you guys have seen his Instagram plugins and all that stuff. So you guys know how to get a hold of him. We're in the right direction. We've cleared it up. The car backfires and pops all on its own now. Well, let's get home. I'm really nervous here. I don't want to get state refed. I mean, on the freeway, it's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty bad, but it's not as bad as I thought. What? Evan's telling me it's really loud. For those that are curious about in-car drone, it drones a lot, but it's honestly, it used to be worse when I had my supercharger set up. Weird. Still way too loud. It is crazy loud. It sounds awesome. The pros here are I can immediately tell how much more free-flowing the exhaust is. It does little natural little pops and bangs and gurgles and stuff, which is awesome. But I never thought I would be the guy to say my car is too loud. But if any of you out there have a setup that's like this, that's completely straight piped, what it really reminds me of is like an EJ25 that's just straight piped. It sounds exactly like an EJ now, which to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of. So I want to quiet this down a lot. So I'm gonna do my research. I'm gonna order the right resonators, maybe even some mufflers. I'm not sure, but this thing needs to get toned down, but retain the free flowing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling good.